Alright, so we're going to show you how to remove this grill off of a G37 Coupe IPL front bumper. There's a few 10 mils on the back right here. So we'll just start there. There's one there, one in the center. There's two on the bottom corners. So there should be a total of 5. And make sure to be pretty gentle with these. They do break easily. So we'll start up here at the top, and then you'll see, we're able to see that on the camera. So like the clip is engaged right now like that. You want to push the clip down and then just push it out very gently. So do that, work your way down. Like that. Work our way down. And then just where those 10 mils were bolted on, just kind of push on the back of the stud. And you want it to look like that. There's no broken tabs, all the studs made it. So that is how you remove a grill off of a G37 front bumper.